The Weceleh 30-inch electric cooktop offers 4 well-sized heating zones that comfortably handle everyday family cooking and more elaborate meals. Its combination of multiple element sizes and a dual-ring burner makes it easy to move between gentle simmering, steady sautéing, and fast boiling without wasting energy. The responsive touch controls and 9 distinct power levels provide precise regulation of heat, which helps prevent scorching and improves consistency for delicate dishes. A clear hot surface indicator, automatic shutoff functions, and a child safety lock add reassuring protection in busy kitchens with children or pets. The smooth ceramic glass surface and simple layout make cleanup quick, since splatters and spills wipe away easily once the surface has cooled. Because it works with a wide range of cookware materials and has a clean, built-in look with a protective metal trim, it fits seamlessly into many kitchen styles and setups.